Hi there, guess what? I got back. I finally got it back from my brother and I'm going to work on finishing it as well as changing a few more details because he does want to be using this for all of the fairs and festivals that he does. So let's get to altering it. I wanted to show you the progress we've made. I have changed the color to darker kind of ombre effect throughout it, and I have put some foam clay on here as well as this little spot. Let me show you. So right here and a couple other spots I'm going to be putting tinier little mushrooms. Before I do add anything to the top of it though, I need to work on the bottom. I want to see if I can mark out some cut lines and take this slightly apart so I can get it to a bandsaw and cut off all the glued fabric that's too hard for my scissors to get off. So I figured that would be the safest bet for that. I also need to find a large magnet to place on the center part on the inside so that he can connect the old exclamation mark that I had made for him a while back. I am also working on a second project along with the hat. He has this staff. It's very big. I would say that it comes up to like my hip, maybe almost my hip, so it's not very tall. This is it standing on the floor. But he wants to be able to put his cell phone into it, and I need to make this a little bit more sturdy because he has just epoxied a couple pieces of wood together to make the entire staff. So I'm going to go in here and fill in the holes with some foam clay and try to make it match the hat. Pretty solid there, so really just I just went around and cut a lot of this off so it fits like it was originally supposed to. And all of those bits down there are like real thick with the hot glue, so it was making it very hard and very, very uncomfortable to wear. I do have to set a lot of this back in, but I'm planning on putting some velvet on the insides of it, make it a little bit more comfortable. guys being weirdos.
I glued nails on my nails. That's technically what it is. You're just gluing nails on your nails.
I stick on hands on my hands.
Pretty cool.
4 hands on my hand.
Was she reading? John said she didn't know.
Guess the color of my nail.
What did you do to the popcorn?
I burned it.
You burned it? Why did you burn it?
When I added like 2 minutes, and then I didn't know, so I added an extra minute.
It's supposed to be popcorn.
Well, hey, it's
That
good,
doesn't look
slightly
like popcorn
burnt.
anymore.
I'm not gonna eat
That's
this.
not slightly burnt.
The popcorn inside is slightly
That's
burnt.
nuked, atomic style.
So awesome.
Hi.
Sounds like something that's to be
Yeah, it's the battery pack. Look at me. Hi.
I am Mordekin the Questmaster. Void Knight, show them the prophecy. Come and join us at the Renaissance Celtic Festival, where you can go on an adventure. Join the commander on his mission to capture this land, so that we may have festivals for weeks on end. Okay, gotcha.